In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit any crypto coin in your KuCoin wallet. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So this is very easy. Just go to KuCoin and then go to assets right here. Now at the left sidebar, you should find deposit. So if you click here, we can find the full list of all the coins you can deposit. You also have the most common ones at the top. So for example, let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. I can just search for Bitcoin. But again, you can do this with any other crypto coin you want. So select the coin, in this case Bitcoin, and then select the network. So you can see the full list of the networks available as well. And for Bitcoin, let's say I want to use the default Bitcoin network. Just click here and you will get your deposit address. Now you can click copy and send this address to anyone or put it on other platform if you want to transfer money from one platform to KuCoin, or you can paste this address on any other platform or exchange just in case you want to transfer money from other exchange to KuCoin. And another thing you can do is click this icon so you can find this QR code which anyone can scan so they can send money directly just by scanning this code. So that's it. That's how you can deposit crypto on KuCoin. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.